What is up, you guys, and welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Jessie, and we are going to be doing a cooking vlog, and we're going to be making a creamy, dreamy mushroom cavatappi with scallions and Parmesan. So first we need to grab a pot, fill that with water so we can boil our pasta, and a large pan. For this recipe for 4 people, you need 16 ounces of button weight mushrooms, 12 ounces of the Cavatappi pasta, 13.5 ounces of milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 scallions, 2 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, and a half cup of Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, boy!
So first we are going to bring our pot of salted water, which I'm not going to salt it first, I'm going to salt it after because you can burn your pot if you salt it first. And we're going to wash and dry all produce. Then we're going to trim. What? He's always judging me. Then we're going to trim and slice the mushrooms into 1/4 inch pieces. Do you actually want it thick, like big pieces, that way you can pick them out? Why are you picking her up?
She's cute.
Yes, but do you want your mushrooms cut big?
Trying to be in the shot.
Okay, that's cute. We're going to trim and thinly slice the scallions and separating the whites from the greens. And then once that is done, we are then going to heat a drizzle of olive oil, and we're going to cook the mushrooms over a medium-high heat and season that with salt and pepper. And cook that for about 5 to 7 minutes. And at that point, then your pasta water should be done. So throw in your pasta because that takes about 9 to 11 minutes. Yes? Because I also forgot to tell them to like the video and, you know, subscribe for more makeup, lifestyle, and cooking. I forgot beauty. But I was going to say, if you guys like this look, I just did a video. You can check that out in the in the description down below. He's making me really nervous. He's just staring at me.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me.
Alright, so our water's about to come to a boil, so we're going to salt that, and then our mushrooms are nice and brown, so we're going to transfer that to a bowl and then wipe this pan out, and then we are going to obviously add the pasta to the water. And when that pasta is done cooking for like the 9 to 11 minutes, we're going to reserve a cup of the pasta water, and then we're going to add in this pan 2 tablespoons of butter. I lied, we're going to add 4 because we have 4 people. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, and then add the scallions and cook that for about a minute, and then we're going to add the flour, and then you're going to stir that so it gets kind of like nice and thick into like a light brown roux. And then we're going to whisk in the milk and a half a cup of the reserved pasta cooking water.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
Alright, now that our pasta is done and drained, in the pot that we have the milk and flour mixture, we are going to add our cream cheese, melt that till that is completely melted. Then you're going to add your mushrooms and then add the pasta, and then go ahead and divide that into bowls, and you are all set with this delicious mushroom cavatappi.
I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally, I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this like little cooking vlog of this creamy, dreamy mushroom cavatappi. I hope, yeah, I just said I hope you enjoyed it. Anyways, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you missed any of my other cooking ones, or you just want to binge watch some content, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!